Hello, hello, and happy Friday. Daniel here with another 5-Minute Friday Facebook Live. You might notice that things look a little bit different, and you're just seeing a screen and this talking voice over it. That is because I use something called Be Live to do these Facebook Lives, which let me show my face as well as a screen share at the same time, which is really cool. But something changed, Facebook API, something technical, I don't know, but right now they are working to fix it because I cannot do that, do a Facebook Live in groups anymore. So that's a little bit unfortunate. So that is why you're just seeing a screen here and hearing my voice, because the built-in functionality for Facebook Live, if you just go straight to Facebook in a group, actually doesn't let you show your face as well as a screen share. And I had all these big plans to walk you through something today about the simplest way to create blog titles that will drive more traffic. So I'd rather show the screen than my mug. So here we are. So I just wanted to, before we jump in here and talk about blog titles, I just wanted to quickly mention this week's blog post. I did a little client spotlight of a recent client of mine, Lisa Kendall. So if you are curious about what it's like to redesign your website, if you have an outdated website, and just the steps that you will possibly go through, whether that's with me or any other designer, check it out. Go to createmytherapistwebsite.com/blog, and you'll see it as the first blog there. And I just kind of break down what were the goals for this project, and what it looked like before and what it looks like now, and just some of the outcomes of that. So if you're curious about what it's like to go through a website redesign, definitely check that out. Okay, so let's get into today's topic, the simplest way to create blog titles that will drive more traffic. And if you look at this title itself, I actually tried to use some of the things that we're going to talk about to create this title, to create a little bit of intrigue. That might be if you saw this as a post on Facebook, that might be something you might want to click on, like, oh, what is the simplest way to create blog titles that will drive more traffic? So that's just me trying to apply this lesson. But this is a 5-Minute Friday, so this is going to be really quick. And I just want to show you just a secret weapon. If you're not aware of this tool, I definitely recommend it, and definitely recommend creating a bookmark for it if you're writing blog posts on the regular and you want to make sure that you're writing titles that are going to drive traffic, that are going to be clicked on in social media, that sort of thing. So that is CoSchedule's Headline Analyzer. If you go to coschedule.com/headline analyzer, this is a totally free tool. I think sometimes they might ask you to give your email address. They didn't ask me today, but there was another time where it did ask me for that. So I'm not sure what the deal is, but just a heads up on that. Okay, so even right here, if you come to this page before you even start using it, they really break down really well how to write powerful headlines. And they give you the different steps and just talk about some of the types of words that you're going to want to use. But really, the high value of this tool is right here. So if you take a title that you're working on, let's say you've got a blog post where you're talking about how to overcome fear of confrontation. So you're helping people with boundaries. You're helping people create more confidence in their relationships and confrontation. So you put your title in there, your starting point. You click Analyze Now. And it's going to go through here. It's going to look through all the different words, and it's going to show you the balance of words here. So we've got 28% are common words, which just make up the basic structure of readable headlines. And then you're going to want uncommon words, which right now we've got 0% there. And uncommon words are words like awesome or best or better or reasons. Stuff like that kind of creates a little bit of intrigue, and they're not used as common in just like a regular sentence. And then also emotional words. So I've already got 43% here, how to and overcome. Those create a little bit of emotion there. Overcoming something, that's an emotional word. So we're doing pretty good there because we got 43%. And then there's also power words. And they recommend that you have at least one power word in words like ultimate or free, amazing, absolute, even short, what do you call them? Just groups of words like that will make you. So one thing I did in the title of this Facebook Live today is I put that will drive more traffic. That's a little bit of a power word structure right there because it's showing the outcome of what you're going to get if you watch this Facebook Live or if it was your blog post, the benefits of reading that blog post there. And then you can come down here and it's going to give you some great content for CoSchedules, just some how-tos on creating powerful headlines, how to master the word balance, and just learn about different headline types. It's going to analyze the length of your headline. And right now we're doing pretty good as far as the character length and the amount of words. So far this headline is actually pretty good. And it's also going to pull in some words for like keywords. So if this is something that you want to create a little bit more SEO around, then you can try to find ways to get more keywords into your headline as well. And it's just going to give you also some previews here of what it looks like in Google search and that sort of thing. And so what you can do is it's got this headline history here. You can, let's see, come in and just start playing around with stuff and see how high you can get that that word balance. So when I did that, it actually dropped the headline score down to 76. So we don't want that. And look, you can see 76, 81. So this one is still the best one. So let's see. What if we did, I'm not so good on the fly here, but I'm just trying to think, what can we do? How to overcome your fear of confrontation. I wonder if we did something like, I'm just trying out here, 5 amazing ways. Maybe just putting in the word amazing is going to help. I don't know. I'm just kind of playing around here. Nope, that didn't get me better than 81. But you can see what I'm doing here. You can try different combinations of words and just try, just different ways to try to get this score past 81 or whatever you're at. So that is my tip for 5-Minute Friday, is to check out CoSchedules Headline Analyzer for creating really great blog post titles, which will drive some traffic and bring traffic from Google and also SEO. People really want to click on them because they're enticing and they really work. So definitely check out that tool. And I just encourage everyone to keep on blogging, keep on creating content on your website, because that is really the #1 thing that is going to increase the traffic to your website. So I hope everybody has an amazing Friday and an amazing weekend to come. Thanks a lot. This is Daniel signing off.